more advanced feature on the P3 system controller is the color targets view. It's located here behind advanced color targets and allows you to see the color space of each fixture in your show, so of each fixture type. This color space is based on what the fixture was calibrated towards in the factory, so it shows you how deep of a color it can show. For each fixture type, you are able to manually tweak the color space to make it match other fixtures in your lighting design. An easy way to see this is by running a test pattern, full red in this case, and in this case I'm grabbing the video Fatron 20 and I'm desaturating the red. You can see already on the image that the red is now more pinkish and a less saturated version of red. Even with video input running, you will see that it responds in real time, so we're now removing a lot of red from the video Fatron fixtures. And of course you can do this on a fixture-to-fixture basis to match them to each other, match them to non-P3 fixtures, or to reduce the color space to match what the capabilities of your cameras are. Of course, you can also directly type in XY coordinates of your color point. So if you know you need to hit a specific color point, you can hit in the coordinates right here in the bottom. And there is also a reset to limits, which will restore the fixture back to its original calibration to the full color space that that fixture can achieve.